Hey everybody, this is Rochelle from Caliente Springs Resort, and today I'm in front of home number 134. So I'm gonna give you a tour of this home. This home is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful inside. It feels really spacious. It has a couple of extra rooms actually. And then it's also located right on the golf course hole next to the clubhouse. So you're really close to the center of the action, plus you get a great view. So I'll flip the camera around and show you what I'm looking at right now. This is the view that you get from home number 134. There's a lot of beautiful grass. There are trees over here. There's a pond right there. The golf course hole is just over there. And also the clubhouse is right there. It's an easy walk from here to there. And the clubhouse has the pools, it has the recreation rooms, the mail center, and a lot of other great things. This home does have a front deck, so you can sit on the deck and get a gorgeous view going this way, or you can get a gorgeous view going the other way of the mountain right over there. If we come to the side of the home, there's a shed back here for extra storage space. Here's the inside of this home, the living room, and also the dining area right over here. We've got some furnishings in here, so if you're interested in those, please talk to us. The kitchen is nice and open. We've got white appliances in here as well as mid-toned cabinets. Coming down the hallway, there's a room to the left. You could use this as a TV room, a den, a hangout room, or maybe even a hobby room. To the right, we have the bathroom. There are a lot of cabinets in here, as well as 3 mirrors, which I love. You can get a good look at what you're doing if you're putting your makeup on in the morning. And then I'll give you a view of the shower as well on this side. This is the bedroom, and there is a ton of built-in storage on this side. Over here is a large mirror, and then if we actually look inside this closet, it is a walk-in closet, so there's a ton of space in here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this home as much as I did. And if you would like to come see it or you need more information about it, please give us a call.